Welcome back, by the way. So we got 885 in the car. I showed you receipts. 11 gallons, 38 bucks. It's a lot cheaper, probably like 55 bucks total, where it's like almost 80 to fill up with 93. But they say it burns quicker. My gas burns the same. I don't know. I guess I just hit the gas too hard. But yeah, 11 gallons. This is what I always used to run when I had the off-the-shelf E50. Now I have the ethanol sensor or the flex fuel sensor. Shout out to Keys and Dorch. And I'm gonna see what, I guess, the mixture finally is. Oh, no, we got that Android in the car. Let me see that. Yo, you know the last time I held the Android? Crazy.
No face, no case.
Yeah, I just want to see what I want to see what I finally ran this whole time when I thought it was an E50. I wonder what it really is.
37. That shit was like
48. 48 is high enough to do a pull, if you ask me.
It's at 59 now.
I was putting E60 in the car the whole time, pretty much.
57, 58. It's hovering around. And the temperature dropped all the way to 111.
Shit.
That shit jumped all the way to 61.
It's gonna blow up. So first run on the the E50. Oh yeah, E60. Yeah. I can always turn it down and make the car more comfortable. I'm just curious to see what it drives like with power turned up like this, you know, and twisties.
Lovely backdrop.
Yeah, look at that. That's nice. We about to go across some water. That's gonna look dope too. Imagine hooking around this corner at like 120, yo. It's so close to the water, it is kind of scary, no?
Yeah. I mean, that's all I'm staring at. I can swim, so I gotta save money.
Yeah. Oh, you can swim?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I can't swim.
Yeah, I can swim.
Yeah. I showed you that clip of me splashing in the water when I was in Jamaica.
I almost died.
Yo. I don't know why I signed up for this shit.
No!
I'm good right here. You can grab the picture. The worst thing about that is, I was like the floaty brought me back up, but I was splashing myself so much I thought I was still underwater.
You were drowning yourself.
This car handles so good. That scared the shit out of me. I wasn't expecting the turn to be so aggressive.
I heard the tires turn.
Yeah, I heard the tires turn too.
And we just had that discussion.
And then I seen the motorcycle. I'm like,
we was talking about.
Oh, ooh, yo, son. I didn't realize that was a turn.
This is different.
Yo, these turns is way too tight. We came up the hill, bro.
We should have did a trial run.
Facts.
Yeah.
This is the trial run. Oh my god. Damn, pumps. You know what it is too? I haven't driven this road with this much power. It's scary, bro. You can't give it gas at all.
This much power ever.
Yo, like, cause thing is twisties. It's not the straight line roads like people be doing all these quarter-mile glory numbers on. It's just too much.
That hurt me.
The roads are kind of choppy too.
My heart. It's good to see another year, y'all.
As far as all around, I think this is peak M4. I don't think like you got that straight line, but your heart like almost stops a little bit when it's time to, you know?
And that shit pushes you back. You can see it.
I made a little graph for like, ooh, I thought I was gonna scrape. Money, like happiness and power versus money.
Yeah.
It's a typical BMW thing where downpipes are so cheap, metal pipe.
Yeah.
For this car, I would argue all you need is a tune, flex fuel kit, and And that's it, pretty much. A flex tune and a kit. You don't even need downpipe.
What they do with the ECU now is so crazy.
So what you think, man?
I mean, if you could afford it, because the reality of it is, it's not a cheap car.
Yeah, it's not cheap.
But if you could afford it, I think it's well worth the money and what you have to do to it to get not maximum, but way more out of it. You're smoking most things on the road at this point.
This guy right here getting an M340 soon.
Yeah.
So yo, like these videos. What's up, brother?
You got on the stream?
Huh?
You on the stream?
Oh yeah. Oh, this X3M, nice.
Yeah. What do you got, M4?
Yeah, M4 competition.
Nice.
What's up, man, Mike?
Mark.
How you doing?
Just here to chill.
Nice. I like it, man.
How about you? What are you doing?
We're just out here enjoying the day. We gotta get one of these little canoe joints. But yo, we gotta bring the guys out here. Instead of racing cars, let's race the boats.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That would be definitely interesting.
We in the woods looking for boost. We on the hunt for power. That's a big ass rock. Nah, yo, we gotta bring the guys out. Yo, you know we gotta go Lake George. I rented a boat out there. I told you about that? Bro, that was different. Almost died.
Yeah, circulate for a second. Oh yeah, it's nice with one though.
Yeah, the wind might be too much.
Way too much with the speed you're going, or the speed you could accelerate to.
Gotta try this way or go this way?
There's more lakes this
Nah, yeah, this is a little. This is too populated. Ready?
That's gonna be.
Oh, that's uh-huh.
The speeds you could get up to in these short gaps is
Yeah.
something in that
doesn't feel as fast.
Compared to before.
Mm-hmm.
Or when you first started doing the pumps. May have to check some tires. Definitely Scenic. On the right side.
Three Porsches back to back? 4 Porsches? Whoa, what the hell?
It's a Porsche meet.
They all got the same license plate too. Minnesota something. They're just on the rear.
It's a caravan.
Nah, something must be going on.
Blind girls.
Thing is, you don't know who's coming around these roads with bikes, so I don't go too hard, you know what I mean? I'm just a little, you know, for the scenery. Oh!
And the pumps. He's on Blind Hill.
Mhm. Tell me that didn't feel faster than normal.
Notice the difference now.
Mm-hmm. Sound test. I don't know what's right there, the school or something, you know? Last thing I wanted was little kids jumping out.
Probably a camp.
Oh!
Not dead.
Oh! What do you think about the burbles?
I'm not a fan of
Yeah, not a fan, right? It actually is not too bad here right now. I guess maybe because I haven't had it in a while, but it does get annoying. Right or left? Right or left? Left? No.
I'm thinking.
Oh no. What?
brakes of food. Smell that?
The smell of success. I don't know if I'm ready for more power. I don't know.
I don't think I'd ever be ready for more power.
AST Springs, they were a little bouncy, but the ride was not crappy over the bumps.
Oh, nah.
Yo,
not at all.
going crazy fast like we did over the bumps, you felt it, but it was like no way, shape, or form messing with the performance as much as I thought it would.
Yeah, you don't feel beat up after.
Yeah, like
some bumps, you automatically think, oh, that's expensive.
Yeah, we hit some serious bumps, some serious craters, but I'll be honest with you, I don't think it was that bad. So we're gonna get up out of here. We're gonna get some food. But yeah, this video is pretty much over.
Yeah, hopefully, no dented rims.
I think we'll be good. All right, peace out.